How are you? Today our topic is discuss about audio requirement for hotel industries. होटल इंडस्ट्रीज में ऑडियो इक्विपमेंट में चाहिए क्या क्या होता है दस अ पॉइंट ऑडियो सॉल्यूशंस चाहिए होता है वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस चाहिए होता है ऑटोमेशंस डिजिटल साइनेज इन रूम सॉल्यूशन और वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस सिस्टम दीज आर थिंग विच इज रिक्वायर्ड दिस इज द टॉपिक व्हाट विल डिस्कस टुडे so let me introduce myself first. My name is Sanjeev Ratra. I am a director of Savision Private Limited, and let me tell you brief about my journey. My beginning is start in 1987. I was a Air India employee, left Air India and start audio equipment business. On that time, I was looking just 1 to 10 lakh rupees turnover. And then my selling and repairing of basic on that time was basic overhead projectors. From my home, I was operating it. And today, my turnover is 25 crores. I have 6 offices across India and one in Singapore. I have 19,000 plus valuable customer. This is my head office in Okhla Phase 2, New Delhi. This is a Savi dedicated team to serve our all valuable customers. Okay, this is the Savi Excellency Award. We participated in a lot of exhibitions. We won a lot of awards like this. And this is the experience center what we designed in Okhla Phase 2, New Delhi, where we make all your huddle rooms, design a video walls, kiosks, education sectors, boardrooms, not only the home theaters. We put all these things around 4,000 square foot areas over there. And I request to all of you to visit my Okhla office to have the look on this. Today, I am the audiovisual coach. I design critical audio solutions, and today, in my people talk to me as Bhish Pitama of AV Industries. I am not only this; I am the author of 2 upcoming books. One is 51 Boardroom Problems and How to Solve Them. Second is Smart Video Conference Systems. The next book is coming up. Let me share you one success story. Country Hotel, Gurgaon. So they have the issue in sound system and display near the reception area. We recommend them the video walls and good quality sound systems for their this meeting rooms. They believe on us honestly and release the order to us. What benefit they get? They get more stability. It increases approximately 30% on the reception areas due to video walls, and they are able to show a lot of hotel informations on that video wall. In the meeting rooms where they change the sound system, they get increase of booking by 50% due to the good quality of sound systems. AV requirement for hotel industry is what we discuss. Now let's start with that. So first is audio solution. So where we need audio in hotels? First question just come up in minds. So audio joining with background music for various locations. Almost in every locations in hotels we require the audio systems. We need the zoning for this banquet halls and conference room, because sometimes we have single conference room, we have some double or three conference room. We can meet all of them banquet hall two together or something like that. So there we need cafeteria or restaurants. We need sound system in sky bars. We need the sound system in swimming pools. We need sound system in lobby. We need sound system in garden music. We need the waterproof and weatherproof systems. We need car calling parking systems to be installed so the people can come easily. They can understand the fire alarm systems, which is very important part. So these are the things we already required. Now let's talk about visual. Visual may first basic requirement to any hotel is the interactive TV for their hotel rooms. If the customer come, he should be satisfied with the TV performance. Second, we need informations display behind the reception area or near the reception area, something like that, where with the information about the hotels can be run over there. Then the lobby reception area, we can put some kind of designer video wall to make it more attractive, or we can put a normal basic video wall, something like that. We can put our information display, all these things. Outside the banquet hall of the session is going on or not going on, which company is giving the presentation inside, something like all this we can inform on this. In the lift, we can put that. Outside the lift, we can install this digital signage. All entrance area, when you enter in the hotel, you should always have big video wall. So if one wow factor should become up, because digital video wall, you can change the content, you can put some waterfall in this video wall, or whatever you want to show, anything you can create that. Video wall or projection banquet hall to give the presentation during the meeting room conference or whatever you're doing over there, any kind of sessions going on, we can do that. Digital standing or kiosk for the informations. This we can install near the any lobby area or common areas where we can put in. We have the all kind of content we can play digitally. We can have stretch monitor also for the way indications. Okay, where's the halls, where's some washrooms or some other things, escalators, where's some. We can put some video content also over here. We can put some where the exhibition is going on if in the hotel, day, time, all these things, everything we can put it the way we want. Outdoor LED video wall. If you see this front of the video wall, is totally changed. There's a complete video wall, and you see it looks so beautifully. So there's a way you can put outside of the hotel. In-room solutions. Now let us talk about in-room solutions. There's an interactive hotel TV. What is the beauty of it? That you get the complete informations. Hotel, your own message is come over here, right? Any kind of hotel message is coming, any kind of videos if you want to put for the hotel information, that will be displayed here. Hotel name can become, date and time can become over there. Not only this, you can get the customer names information over here. Customer can place any kind of order or any kind of services he can use from here only. He can have on demand videos, a special video if you want to, he can see that. He can settle his bill from here only. And automation of the room control like light, TV, curtain, volume control, all this can be managed from here only. Now let's talk about automation. What is automation now? So automation means from one remote I can control each and everything of my room. So room can be controlled, every device of the room like TV, audio system, light control, curtain, door open or closing, temperature control, service calls, and he can get some more. We can get more some useful scenes, some kind of scenes, so he can use that. The same can be used in the banquet hall and other area also. So this is about digital signage. Now let's go to digital signage. Now we can create design with any information, content or video, and push to all or group wise or separate one panel. Means you can create your own content. You can make some, you can put some video here, you can put some date and time and something about yourself, some temperatures going on, name, and welcome to so and so team is coming up, some upcoming events which is coming over there. All you can make and push the content. You can change within a second. You can put them schedules. 10 o'clock ये चलेगा, 11 बजे चलेगा, 11:15 ये चलेगा, 2 बजे ये चलेगा, 5 बजे. All you can schedule for the day, for the month, 10 days, weekly, the way you want. So the next is example like reception. We can show live news, international timing, currency, weather info, welcome notes. All this we can put. Some videos are going on, some news are coming up over here, some information is going on below, some of the logos, and this is the price of US dollar currencies prices are going over here, something like that we can do. So where digital signage required? Now let's discuss this. Required to, first of all, we need digital signage from centralized control where the whole hotel can be controlled remotely. So video walls can be controlled, which is near the reception and all these things. Signage panels, stands, room TVs, outdoor LED TVs, all visual system what we discussed in the past. So working of digital signage, how it works, you can create a content from your laptop. You just simply push it, go to the server. From server, it go to the any kind of third-party player and go on the display. If you have Samsung or LG display, the latest one, they have already inbuilt SoC, system on chip, so we can use it over there. We can operate it through the video wall also, either horizontal, vertical, or designer. Everything we can control with the normal basic content, no problem. Okay. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस सिस्टम्स. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस सिस्टम क्या क्या अवेलेबल है हमारे पास में? वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस सिस्टम्स अवेलेबल इन इंडस्ट्रीज टुडे. Basically some people come and they say we want to talk about IP systems. Some people come, they talk we want to do video conferencing via Zoom, Microsoft software, and other things. Some customer required eco-free sounds. They don't want any kind of disturbance during the sounds, but they don't know AC sound, something like that. Some customer require very clear image. They need 1080p resolutions. Some customer required share containing should be very clear. Some customer required to go to live over cloud or YouTube or something like that, any channels they want to have a live display. Some customer required audio conference systems, so they every near and here can be speak easily. There should be no problem at all. So this is, guys, thank you very much. Still, if you have any query, kindly write to me. I'm Sanjeev Ratra. My mobile number is there, email ID is there, website is there. You can talk to me anytime. Thank you very much. Good day.